Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to see your Indeed assessment results. It's a very simple and easy process, and I'm going to guide you through how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, make sure that you've already installed the Indeed app. If you haven't, you can easily download it from your store. Once you download the app, launch the app on your phone. After you are in the app, make sure that you are logged in with your account. If you don't have any account, you can easily create a new one first. After you are logged in, you will see this kind of interface. Now, in order to see your assessment results, you need to go to your profile settings. So here you can see the profile option at the bottom right corner. Tap on it. Now you are in your profile settings page. Here you can see your details. You can see your resume that you have uploaded. In order to take any assessments, you need to first upload a resume. So uploading a CV is very important to take assessments. As you can see here, I've already uploaded my CV over here. Let's take a look at it. This is how my CV looks like. I uploaded it from my device. So you need to upload your CV first. Only then you will be able to take any assessments. So if you have taken any assessments, it will appear over here. Right now you cannot see any options for assessments. But when you take any assessments, you will see the option skill test over here. And when you tap on it, you can see your assessment details and obviously the assessment results. So you can take your assessments and check your assessment results over here. You can find it under the option skill test. So that's it. That's how you can see your assessment results on Indeed. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.